Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing what I received from IPSY. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So y'all, this is the box. I'm gonna open it real quick. So the theme for this month is welcome home. This is the IPSY creator box. So I'm just gonna open this real quick because my time is running out. Oh, that's beautiful. This is what the press looks like, you guys. It looks so pretty. So I have here 2, 4, 5 mini size products. This is called the Chica Beauty Fiesta mini eyeshadow palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm just going to pop it open like so. And this is a beautiful packaging. It's interesting. Ooh, that's nice. This looks like this. Do a little swatch for you. Next item I have here is the V Bloom Advanced Eye Cream. Looks like that. I also have a pencil here. It's called the Scone Luxe Lip Pencil. And this is Big Ego by Tarte. And this, I believe, is a mascara. There's a mini, yeah, it's a mascara. Okay. It looks like that as well. I'm just gonna leave the name on the screen. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. By Rue, I believe that's how it's pronounced, but this is a toner. I'm gonna try this. Love it. I love toners. I have a huge love for skincare products. Next up I have here is the Boxy Charm. It has 5 full-size beauty products and this is what it looks like. Alrighty, finally we opened it. Boxy Charm. And let's see what you have for us this month. I'll just take everything out. The first product here is a lip serum and it's by the brand Buxom. It looks like this. Oh, this is so nice. This is a nude shade. It looks like, sorry, I have everything on me. It looks like that. This is so pretty. I love this. And next I have here is a gel eyeliner. This is by the brand Light. It looks like this. This is an interesting packaging. Come on now. Yeah, it looks like this. Next product here is Slushy, and this is an hyaluronic acid and bocuse oil serum. It looks like this. Interesting packaging. I'm gonna open this up like so. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. If you're really obsessed with skincare like myself, then everything about this box says it all. Is speaking to me, okay? And the next item I have here is by the brand Koa Life Detox Face Max. It looks like this. And I'm gonna open the packaging real quick. Oh, it's so pretty pink. I love this. This is what it looks like. I cannot wait to use this. Last product I've been dying to open is this eyeshadow palette by Luna Beauty. This is the Moon Prism Blush palette. The packaging is given, I don't know, bedtime. Oh my goodness, this like the planet. Are we singing? Are we singing this? Are we feeling this? Are we feeling this? Oh my goodness, so pretty. Each of this is labeled. We have Pink Moon, Twilight, Spacey, Soleil, Stargaze, and Gravity. This is really, 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 really nice. I love this. And the packaging, yo, this packaging is giving. This packaging is giving authenticity. I love this. Shades, look at that. Oh my God. I'm gonna put that. Oh, look at it on my finger. I'll swatch the last one. My gosh, this is so nice. This is so nice, y'all. Look at that color. This will suit almost every skin tone. I love it. And this again is the eyeshadow. My gosh, this is so beautiful. Alrighty, let's get back into the video. This will bring me to the end of this video. I'm gonna leave a link so you guys can go subscribe to IPSY. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Bye.